got the hair out of your eyes. You could actually see better. Wait! That wasn't nice. Oh, you gotta use your lips. Okay, I couldn't find any applesauce, as was recommended. But I did find this thing of Kellogg's Apple Jacks. Wait a second. You're just getting a little snappy. Okay, we're going to test those. See if he's attracted to the apple flavor at all. Now he is eating them. So there's a good chance he could eat applesauce if I get some. Okay, now we have some beet pellets to try. Wait a second, here's some beet pellets. Okay, wait a second. Okay, ready? Easy, easy, easy. Notice I have one in my hand. Easy. No, I want your head to go down. Come on, get your head down. Easy. Easy. Okay, easy now. Now I'm afraid he's going to bite me when I turn my hand over. But I get him sticking up there like that. Now don't do that. Don't do that. Easy. You better calm down. Just because we had some free feeding. Don't do that. Don't do that. That's not nice. There you go. Good boy, X. Ready? Easy. Easy. X. Good. Ready? Easy. X. Let's go back to this. It was a little bit better. Okay, now we're going to try tossing the food to you, okay? So you got to be ready. Ready? Ready? Here it comes. It's going to come at you. Ready? 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 You ready? Denelli? Whoops. There we go. Ready? Ready? No, you gotta back up. You gotta back up. That's not gonna be okay. You wanna try this? Now let's try this. Don't bite me. Don't bite me. Do not bite me. Ready? Do not bite me. No, that's not nice. That's not nice. That's not nice. Easy. Easy. I think you're going to try to bite me. No. X. 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 Okay, let's put some more Apple Jacks in there. Not yet. Okay, ready? I'm gonna handle your face. Ready? No, 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 no. I'm gonna handle it. No. Don't try to bite me. Do not try to bite me. Come here. X. Wow. Ready? I'm gonna try to handle your nose. X. This is more like chicken training. Ready? I'm gonna handle your nose.